Hi guys, I'm just going to do this real quick screencast here to refresh your memory on how to add and subtract fractions. So the first one, if you look at the upper left-hand corner of your screen, is 1/4 plus 2/4. When you add fractions, you need to make sure that your denominator stays the same. And then all you have to do is add your numerators. 1 plus 2 is 3. Answer to the first one is 3/4. But if you look at the second one, 2/8 plus 1/4, you have different denominators. So for a problem like this, you need to find an equivalent fraction so that your denominators are the same. So if you divide both of these by 2, whatever you do to the top, you got to do to the bottom, you get 1/4. So an equivalent fraction for 2/8 equals 1/4. So all you're really adding for this one is 1/4 plus 1/4. That's 2/4. An equivalent fraction for that would be 1/2. Next row, we're going to do some subtraction. The first one, we have 5/6 minus 2/6. Just like with addition, make sure your denominator stays the same, and then just subtract your numerators. 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer to the first subtraction problem is 3/6, which is equivalent to 1/2. The next one, second row. Now you have 1/2 minus 2/6. Again, we have some different denominators here, and in order to make this work, we have to come up with an equivalent fraction to make our denominators the same. If we multiply both of these by 3, we get 3/6. So an equivalent fraction for 1/2 is 3/6. So really all we're doing is subtracting 3/6 minus 2/6. 3/6 minus 2/6 equals 1/6. Bottom row, we have some mixed numbers here, but it works the same way. As you can see, our denominators for this addition one, they're the same. They're both eighths. So our answer is going to be an eighth. Now we just add the numerators. 3 plus 2 is 5. Whoopsies. Get rid of that. Sorry, I put it in the wrong place. And then we add our whole numbers. 1 plus 4 is 5. So it's 5 and 5/8. The last one is a subtraction problem, but we do it the same way. Once again, you'll notice that our denominators are already the same. So our answer is definitely going to be in sevenths. We just do 6 minus 2. 6/7 minus 2/7 equals 4/7. And then you subtract your whole numbers. 5 minus 2 is 3. So our final answer is 3 and 4/7.